Hi there, how are you doing? Welcome to yet another episode of Candid Chapters. And here I am, your host for the evening, Sapna Handa, your life strategist coach, your public speaker, your communication and etiquette expert, and a corporate coach who helps people unleash their true potential through an essential toolkit called From Novice to Novice by working on the key areas of appearances, behavior, communication, and digital presence. तो ये थी बात मेरी इंट्रोडक्शन की. Lot of clients come to me and keep asking me as to how to enhance their image, how to look beautiful and attractive. And especially women face this dilemma every single day because a woman is always objectified as far as her appearances are concerned. But let me tell you that beyond external beauty, there are so many signs which makes a woman so beautiful from within. And we tend to neglect all these signs. स्टे ट्यून बिकॉज आज का वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. ऐसे कौन से साइंस हैं और ट्रेट्स हैं, कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स, not not the outer beauty which makes a woman truly authentic and beautiful. Stay tuned. ट्रेट्स शेयर करने से पहले मैं एक इंसिडेंट नरेट करना चाहूंगी. कल मैं एक पब्लिक इवेंट में गई और इट वाज अ नेटवर्किंग इवेंट एंड अ स्पीकर वाज कमिंग टू एड्रेस all the ladies. So I was looking for the chair and I got a chair and I sat there. थोड़ी देर में एक लेडी चल के आती है, beautifully draped in a sari, and she asks me whether the place next to me is empty or not. I tell her, yes, nobody is sitting, you can sit next to me. So she sits next to me, very simple, very elegant, very graceful. There was nothing beautiful about her external beauty, but she was very beautiful from within because she extended that vibe as if somebody wanted to just have a conversation with her. I was having my cup of coffee और नीचे कप रखने की जगह नहीं थी and there was no way I could go here and there. तो जैसे ही उन्होंने देखा कि मैं कप रखना चाहती हूँ, she graciously helped me by saying, I'll keep the cup on the side. और जब उन्होंने ये बात की तो हम बातें करना शुरू हो गए आपस में. हमने इंट्रोडक्शन ली, उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा मैं क्या करती हूँ. मैंने बताया आई एम इनटू इमेज कंसल्टिंग एंड आई एम अ सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनर, आई एम अ कॉर्पोरेट कोच एंड आई ट्रेन पीपल by amplifying their hidden potential and by training them on life coaching tips. उन्होंने बताया कि वो एक लॉयर है बाय प्रोफेशन और काफी सालों से कोर्ट में काम कर रही हैं. ऐसे ही हमारी इंट्रोडक्शन शुरू हुई और हम बात करने लग गए. जहां तक कि उनकी आउटर ब्यूटी के बारे में बोला जाए, शी वाज नॉट वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. देयर वाज नथिंग अबाउट हर व्हिच कुड अट्रैक्ट अ पर्सन, but there were few character traits in her which made you wanted to get the slice of her personality over and over again. ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप लोगों से मिलते हैं. They are very beautifully groomed on the outside. Everything about them is so impeccable. But the moment you have a conversation, you cannot go beyond a sentence. और कई लोग इतने सिंपल होते हैं, करियर में इतने बड़े ओहदे पे होते हुए भी उनमें जो सिंप्लिसिटी होती है और जिस तरह से वो लोगों को अपनी तरफ आकर्षित कर देते हैं, ये कमाल की चीज होती है. तो ऐसी कौन से ट्रेट्स हैं जिससे लोग आपकी तरफ आकर्षित होते हैं? और बिलीव मी, ये आपकी फिजिकल ब्यूटी नहीं है. इट इज नॉट अबाउट योर एक्सटर्नल ब्यूटी. Which are those characteristic traits which makes a person truly beautiful from within? First and foremost, a truly beautiful woman shows that she is empathetic towards others. Empathy एक ऐसा trait है जो कि लोगों में आजकल आसानी से नहीं मिलता. People are blessed if they have people around them who can empathize with them. Empathize, really feeling their pain in the pit of their stomach, listening to them intently and taking their problems into consideration, giving solutions to their problem by empathetically analyzing all the aspects of their life without advising them or without offering sympathy on the platter. If people are truly empathetic, you are blessed. And a woman who is empathetic is truly beautiful from within because she understands other people's problems. She is able to offer solutions to other people's problems. So, the first and the most important trait in a woman which makes her beautiful from within is empathy. Do you have anybody around you who's empathetic? but not beautiful on the outside, then she's really for keeps. Second trait in a woman which makes her truly beautiful from within is her authenticity. Authentic होना क्या होता है? Being true to yourself. Whatever you are from within, you do not hide it on the outside. Your inner beauty radiates and shines so beautifully on the outside that people want to take a slice of you more often. They want to talk to you and they want to meet you over and over again. A truly authentic woman refuses to fit in and conform to the societal norms or the rules laid down by others. She is value based addition. She puts her values first and she operates on her value system. She's totally strong from within and she radiates that confidence of authenticity on the outside. Let me give an example of Oprah Winfrey and Shobha Day here. These two women are truly authentic and real. They speak their mind without fear and they do not bother about what people have to say about them. Women who are authentic are often judged by others, but this does not stop them from saying what they have to say. Are you authentic? Ask this question from yourself. The third character trait which makes a woman truly beautiful is a sense of gratitude, a shukrana, what she does every single day for the small little mercies she has in her life. When she is full of gratitude with the little things she has in her life, she is able to fight her stresses, depression, and anxiety with greater force. She is that kind of a woman who concentrates on what she has rather than concentrating on what she doesn't have. Such kind of women will always have a positive outlook towards life. You will see them reverberating with positivity and they never talk about negatives in life because they constantly water their garden with a sense of gratitude every single day. They thank God for the small little blessings and abundance which they have in their life, and they extend this sense of gratitude towards the universe. A woman who is reverberating with a sense of gratitude is truly divine and magical and beautiful from within. According to psychology, a kind woman is beautiful from within. Kindness never goes out of fashion. You might be investing so many clothes in your wardrobe and they go out of fashion. Beauty on the outside might fade over a period of time, but a kind soul is always beautiful. And a woman who is kind will not make big gestures by showing her kindness. It could be a small word, a small gesture, or just a smile to make you feel comfortable by expecting nothing in return. Because kindness, which is offered to people, is often backed up. What is that person going to give to me in return? But a woman of substance, a truly strong woman, would give it to others without expecting anything in return. Such kind of women are rare to find. And if you have a kind soul around you, you're lucky. Kindness is a gift. Cherish it. Next, most important trait which makes a woman beautiful is her resilience. Resilience is a gift which often goes unnoticed because people are only concentrating on the external appearances. They do not know whether a woman's heart is made up of steel or iron or not because they are not able to see that aspect of a personality. A truly resilient woman will be a pillar of strength in your life. You can fall back on her whenever you want to, when you are not okay. When you're going through hardest battles, such kind of people, such kind of women will always be there supporting you from behind. I remember one time when I was going through a very tough phase of my life, and the only pillar of strength what I had was my mom. She supported me in all my pursuits fearlessly, unconditionally, because she knew somewhere in her heart that if I tell something to this girl, her faith is not going to be restored ever. Such kind of women who are resilient and who are often giving support from the backside are truly, 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 truly loved. Stay resilient. That's a beautiful trait which makes a woman truly beautiful from within. Next beautiful trait which makes a woman truly beautiful from within and you can't resist it is her open mindedness. आप अक्सर लेडीज से मिलते होंगे, वो बहुत जजमेंटल होती हैं और हम ये कहावत सुनते हैं कि लेडीज ही लेडीज को नीचे उतारती हैं और लेडीज ही लेडीज की जड़ों को काटती हैं, जो कि काफी हद तक सही भी है. बट अ ट्रूली ब्यूटिफुल वुमन इज ओपन माइंडेड. She has a set of values and she knows her perspective might be different from the other person, but she will not diminish the other person's power by putting herself on top. She would be a true leader with her open mindedness, not judging the presence of the other person. Such kind of women are true leaders who are fearless about the way they are, who are unapologetically themselves, and who do not carry this badge, notice me, because they are noticed anyways for being open minded and talking about what they really want out of their life and themselves. Next, most important character trait in a woman is self love. As I've written in my book a beautiful quote on self love, you cannot love others until you've loved yourself enough. जैसे प्लेन में बोलते हैं कि जब प्लेन हिलता है तो आपको क्या कहते हैं कि आप पहले ऑक्सीजन मास्क डालो, तभी आप अपने बच्चों को ऑक्सीजन मास्क डाल पाओगे. अगर आप खुद से प्यार नहीं करते तो आप दूसरों से प्यार कैसे कर पाएंगे? For you to be able to understand and pour, you need to first fill your cup with all the love that you have for yourself. And a woman who's full of self love knows about her strengths, her weaknesses, her failures, her trials, her tribulations. She celebrates all the aspects of her life by taking out time for herself. She cannot cut herself into bite sized pieces to serve others because she invests in the power of self love. Just like the art of imperfection. जापान में एक टेक्निक है जहां टूटे हुए कप को हम लैकर करते हैं और उनको नया जैसा बना देते हैं. एक औरत जो अपने आप को प्यार करती है वो अपने क्रैक्स को अच्छी तरह से जानती है, पहचानती है, फिर भी उन क्रैक्स को वो कवर करती है. जैसे जापानीज टेक्निक में हम लैकर कर देते हैं एंड शी मेक्स हरसेल्फ इनटू अ ब्यूटीफुल न्यू कप. शी एक्सेप्ट्स दैट शी हैज क्रैक्स. Every person has cracks, but she still fills herself with all the self love that she has for herself. Next point, which makes a woman truly beautiful from within, is that she's a giver by nature. Most of the women complain कि हम प्यार देते हैं, हम attention देते हैं अपने husbands को, family को, हमें कुछ वापस return नहीं मिलता. But a truly authentic woman knows that her cup is full and she's in a position to give it to others. So she doesn't highlight that aspect of giving because her nature is like the Mother Earth. Look at Mother Teresa. She used to give unconditional love to people who needed her because she knew that her cup is full and what can overflow out of that cup is only love and unconditional care for others who need her. Be like a woman who pours from her cup unconditionally, who fills her own cup and do not wait for others to fill her cup. She doesn't wait for validation from others. She knows where her true power and strength lies. Last but not the least, a woman who's truly beautiful has a sense of control over her emotions. Now, यहाँ आप मुझसे contradict कर सकते हैं because women are known to be emotional. They cry very often and it's easy to make a woman cry. Yes, you cannot deny the fact that women are emotional by nature and less practical as compared to men. But women's emotions are powerful. You should be able to regulate your emotions and navigate them to bring about creativity in other areas of life rather than drowning yourself in emotions. A truly powerful and a strong woman knows when to cut her emotions. She doesn't show her emotions, she doesn't become a hostage to her emotions, and she doesn't make decisions based out of emotions. She's totally in control. There lies her superpower. She doesn't become a hostage to her emotions. A woman who knows how to regulate her emotions successfully is truly beautiful from within. ऐसी औरतें जब बात करती हैं तो उनकी बातों में आपको इमोशंस नजर नहीं आएंगे. That doesn't mean that they are not emotional. They do not make life's major decisions based on emotions. तो कैसे लगे ये आपको ट्रेट्स? अगर आपके पास कुछ ऐसी लेडीज हैं जिनके ये सब ट्रेट्स हैं, आपकी वाइफ हैं, आपकी सिस्टर हैं, आपकी मदर है, तो बिलीव मी, आप बहुत ब्लेस्ड हैं, बिकॉज ये औरतें सही मायने में खूबसूरत हैं. आउटर ब्यूटी का क्या है ना, वो तो 4 दिन में ढल जाने वाली है. अंदर की सुंदरता जो होती है वो बाहर निखर के आती है. और जैसे जैसे आप एज करते हैं, ये सुंदरता और प्यारी लगती है लोगों को जब वो आपसे मिलते हैं, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली ये ट्रेट्स ही होते हैं जो हमारे साथ रह जाते हैं, बाहरी ब्यूटी तो खत्म हो जाती है. एंड लेट मी एंड दिस बाय अ कोट फ्रॉम माय बुक which I would like to share it with you. And the quote says, while concentrating on the outside, work on your soul garden too. Plant some positive thoughts by removing the unwanted weeds of negative behaviors and patterns. Don't let the trespassers come in destroying your inner bliss by tramping all over your soul garden. Your inner space is as important to you as your external beauty or outer space. Water your inner space every single day. Then see the colors of freshness and vitality shine out. You tend to radiate confidence from outside to inside, from inside to outside. When you have worked on the inner image and combined all the elements of clothing, grooming, body language, and etiquette to bring out the best in you, this is inside out image. So bye bye from Sapna Handa. Till we meet again for my next video. Stay tuned for more. Lots of love. Enjoy the festivity. Sapna Handa. Bye bye.